How to add music to Facebook post. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add music to Facebook post. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So this is a really simple process. So what you'll have to do is tap on your Facebook, make sure that you're logged in into your account. Then you will need to create a post. So tap on what's on your mind on the top. After you do that, you can then select a photo or video. So I'll just select a photo here, this one. Tap on next after you select a photo. Then on the left top side, you will see edit option on the photo. Tap on it and you'll be on the edit page. Now what you'll need to do is you will find the music icon on the top side. Tap on the music icon. Now you can select whichever music you want and then tap on next after you've done with the editing. So I'll just select a music and then move on.
Full speed.
After you've done that, you will have added your music to your photo, but it will only play like a video itself. So tap on post after you've done that. And you can then wait, and after the upload is complete, you can check out the music. And that's basically how you add music to Facebook post. And that's basically all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Bye bye, take care.